Hello, good afternoon, guys. This is Nanga Smile today again. So today my video will be like kind of an explanation on how I exited the position. Um, I will just explain a little bit my initial position, then and also I actually like made another position. So I will just explain that anyway. So in the morning, I hold on to the position from yesterday, as you can see. So the initial, I'll just show you on the numbers. My initial profit target was at 3478. Okay, so this was my initial target. This particular point is my initial target, but then since this momentum was actually like rising way too fast, I just hold on for quite a time, and my stop loss was actually adjusted something like this. As the market goes up, I keep on trailing my stop loss at this point. At last, my stop loss was at this level. This is where this is where I have exited the position after hitting my trailing stop loss. So this is on a chart view, trading view. So after adjusting my profit target, my overall target I was expecting was 506, but then after reaching at this level 3500, the market started to fall, and that's when my stop loss was hit, the trailing stop loss actually. So yeah, that's how it is, and I'll just show you on the meta trading. Yeah, so this is how it is. I had a profit. Oh wait, I don't know. Okay, let me zoom. Okay, so basically like this is what I've been trading on. But anyways, recently what I did was I added 102. I added that particular amount, and then we get a profit of like $245. And in the meantime, as I have gained 245, I withdraw the amount of like $100. So if we convert dollars into rupee, somehow I actually like withdraw some 8,200 something. Yeah, something like that only. And actually what I made a position after that is, okay, let me also show you on this. So as you can see, okay, so as you can see, I have made my entry here. I entered in this particular candle, and then I held on to, and then I sell off at this level, so we get a good profit. And then after I actually like sell off my position, the buying position, I re-entered here in terms of selling the position, because after reaching at like 3,500 round figure, the market started to fall, and this is where I had the idea that after many buyers will have the target of 3,500 as their profit, take profit. So after taking the profit, I think the market was started to fall, and this is where I expected, and so I re-entered with the same quantity, with the same lots, and so far we are getting a profit of give me a second. Yeah, okay, so if you guys can see, then we are getting a profit of $80 currently right now. And yeah, which is a good thing, because I think I catched a momentum in the right time, even though I couldn't enter at this big level, because that's impossible to actually enter in the right moment. But yeah, and as of now for this trade, I don't expect that much of profits, but with this particular zone, with this zone actually like a consolidation, let's say. I will just hold on for this. If the market actually like try to break this, then that's when I'll start trailing with this, take profit again. So currently my target expectation is like $185, and my stop loss would be the risk which I'm actually like taking is somewhere around like $20 to $30 only, so which is quite okay. And I can actually like bring to a break even point, because so far we are getting a profit. The market is actually like giving us the momentum which I expected. And also why I entered in this position is because since the RSI level is also way above 7 like more than 80, this is where I get a confirmation that it's being overbought and the market should actually like falls now. So with that confirmation I just entered. Let's see how it goes. And okay, so for daily chart, there's a good rejection here, and we never know that the market might actually comes back. But since after hitting the round figure of like 3,500 at this point, I don't think the market will try to correct itself or moves back to that position again. If it did, then it's good. The buyers will be in a profit zone, but let's wait for that. So yeah, for this position we will try to close maybe tomorrow again, if the market actually give us a good momentum even today, but just today itself, then that's when I'll exit. If not, then I'll just wait for the moment, for the I'll hold on for a little longer. Yeah, I think that should be all. I am not actually like trading on this Indian markets as of now. I am actually like trying to ignore the future and options. So let's see. So if we can actually like see here on this trading view, give me a second. Okay, so if you can see, this is where I exited the market, and then after that only I re-entered here. Okay, at the same moment I re-entered, and then the market gives me the profit of like I think $30 at that moment. But then somehow it gives me another like losses. It shows a loss, but then since I have made up my mind that I will be holding this position again, the market is actually giving us a good profit right now. So yeah, basically I will try to hold and trade on this platform for quite some time, and most probably like I will be trading on Indian markets soon, like I've mentioned yesterday. So yeah, that should be all for today's video again. I hope we can get a profit even on this trade. So yeah, thank you so much guys. I will see you guys in the next one.